How to cancel one passenger on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can cancel one passenger on Southwest Airlines. So if there's a passenger that you boarded or you booked a flight for and you want to cancel his or her reservation, it is very simple. After logging in into your Southwest account, the next thing to do is to scroll down to the flight section. On this section, you can see options like flights, vacations, hotel, car, check-in, flight status, change or cancel. You just click on that. So after clicking on the change or cancel option, you can see the box displayed. The next one would be to enter in your confirmation number. The confirmation number is the number that you got after you've made payment for your account. So after entering your confirmation number, enter in your first name as well as your last name. And then once you've done that, click on search. Then the flight that you've booked would be displayed, and you can now modify the flight by adding or removing whoever you want to remove, whichever flight you'd like to change, and all of that. And then in that process, you can also remove the passenger that you intend to remove. So this is how you can cancel one passenger on Southwest Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.